Okay, we're going to set up some samples, which are primarily used for broadloom, or it could be a bespoke program. First of all, we're going to set up a supplier, and I've already done this in here with design materials. And then we're going to go to settings and go to list management and set up collections. I already have one in here, but I'm going to add another. And I'm going to call this Wellington. Create this item. Okay, so now I have Wellington in there as a collection, as part of a list. So then I'm going to go to showroom, and I'm going to set up an owned rug. And I'm going to set up the sample, and then I'm going to call this design materials, Wellington, and the sub design, which is 299 malted. Landed cost, I can put that in as anything. And my regular price is going to be the price per square foot. So I'm going to put in $21.85. I'm just going to put in one item here as a sample for quantity 1. And I can put in my supplier here as well. I can put in different information about that actual sample, whether or not it's primary material being wool, and colors. I can drop in an image. So I'm going to save this. Okay, now that that is in there, I'm going to go to my order system. I'm going to create an order. I'm going to add the customer. And then I'm going to add the item. And I'm going to set this as an approval. Let's just establish our tax here. And I'm going to say that this is with customer. So now I have this customer, and I have an approval that is pending, meaning that it's with the customer. So if I go to edit this, I can see that the status of that product is with the customer. Likewise, if I wanted to see all the items that are pending out on approval, I can go to my approval list, and I can see that I have these items pending. Now, in the event that the customer calls up or comes back to the store and wants to proceed with an order, first of all, you'd have to return this item. So you simply go here, change the status from with customer to return, complete that. And then you'll notice that this sample does not show up on a total. And then we go up to the workflow cart, because this isn't an item that you currently have in stock. You're essentially making it a work to order. So I'm going to add one item. And I'm going to add a custom, I'm going to add a custom rug order, add it into the list. And this is where I'm going to modify what the actual order is. So my selling price is $21.84. And for example, if it's a 10 by 10, we want 100 square units. And from there we can add other services underneath this, different types of binding. You can do stain protection, what have you. And also this now has a barcode associated with it. So you can produce this barcode and put it on a holding area for when that rug comes in so that it can be properly cataloged.